Am I the only one that thought polar bears were just big white teddy bears? Well, think again. These Arctic giants are full of wild surprises. Polar bears live way up north in the freezing Arctic. Their fur isn't actually white, it's see-through. It looks white because it reflects the snow and ice. And get this, underneath their skin is totally black. That helps them soak up the sun's warmth, even on icy days. Polar bears are massive. They can weigh as much as a small car. They're also super swimmers, paddling for days without stopping to find food. Their favorite snack? Seals. But polar bears need our help. Melting ice makes it tough for them to hunt and live. Think polar bears are awesome? Tap the heart, share this with a friend, and tell us your favorite animal in the comments. Stay curious, explorers.